Someone made $2.5 billion from fart sounds. October 2024, an AI chat suggested the perfect crypto coin should be called fartcoin. An anonymous developer saw that conversation. He launched it in 30 seconds, sold his entire share for just $500, and walked away. Every single transaction made a fart sound. People went absolutely crazy. 2 months later, it hit $1 billion. By January 2025, it reached $2.5 billion, faster than Dogecoin ever did. The man who created it got $500. The coin made $2.5 billion, all from fart sound.